Here's a song for MJ.
Mary Jo. Mary Jo.
Oh,
Mary Jo.
Mary Jo.
Who's Mary Jo?
Mary Jo, man.
Mary Jo. Who's Mary Jo?
She Erky.
Sure. Who's Mary Jo?
Hope you guys don't know her.
Who is Mary Jo? Mary Jo.
Oh, Mary Jo.
Mary Jo.
You act like you know, but you don't know.
You're not a hoe. But I love to eat ho-ho.
Mary Jo.
Yeah. Mary Jo.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you
Mary
go?
Jo.
To Kokomo. Mary Jo.
You take it fast, but I'll take it slow.
Take it slow.
Take it slow, cause she went to Kokomo, you know.
Mary Jo.
Mary Jo. I'm too sexy for my shirt.
Too sexy for my shit. So sexy it hurts.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Walking down Alamo on the beach park.
ALAMOANA. What does that spell?
All the boats in the harbor. Cause it's the eye of the mongoose.
I the mongoose.
Shout out to the boat.
Shout out to the boat.
Oh, shout out to the boat out there. Oh.
Oh, big guy. Oh.
Aloha, welcome to Hawaii. This is what it's
Where'd you
like.
come from? Where'd you come from? Where'd you come from?
Big Island. Oh,
They
no
came from the
way.
Big Island.
Hilo. Oh, Hilo. Oh.
From Big Island.
Okay.
Awkward. Very awkward manner. Standing on a what is it? Yeah. 5, 6, 7. I don't know when to start. Met her on the beach one day. Still remember what she smelled like. Yeah. She had these eyes I could light up her.
Oh, yeah.
And a voice that's so heavenly. Took her out and
One day. A sexy smile.
So I.
Oh, we're on.
Love and honesty.
Fell in love with the one.
And I can't believe my heart.
Where's John Henry? Where's
Man,
John
we're
Henry?
not John Eric. Or the guy Eric.
I know, there's 2 guys.
They put us to shit.
They put us-
Yeah, here, bro. Continue.
I know. I wouldn't even sing.
Alright.
Pretty woman, walking down the street. A pretty woman.
The
Oh, I
like to meet.
Pretty woman.